Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Let's talk about navigation. From your home screen, press your U button at the bottom of your screen and you see it comes up with your videos, community, playlist. If you go to community, you can make your posts there. And this will only show you and your post. All the other community posts populate on your home screen. Other things you can do from your home screen when you select notifications is go on to your notifications. And this is where you will see who's live, who's posted videos, who's commented on your content, and what they commented. You can turn on incognito from your main page screen. View your videos to see if there's anything you need to fix or change in your videos. You also have your on your home screen videos that you've started watching. Now if you scroll down on your home screen, you will see everyone that's commented, joined your channel, or reply to a comment you left on their channel. Make sure you visit these screens often. Another feature in your notifications that you can take advantage of is when you go to your notification, which is the bell at the top. Click the bell at the top. Anytime someone leaves you anything in this particular area, if you click on their picture, it will pop up their page, and from here you can see whether you have subscribed to someone or not. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. But this is just an easy way to get to those subscriptions and verify it. Thank you for watching. Be blessed and be a blessing.